That right over there, that's where the AC is going to be. So I have to shrink the opening and reframe it to make sure that the AC fits properly. I'm also going to finish installing the window cripplers and build a little frame around the kitchen island beam. I thought I measured correctly, but unfortunately I cut one of these wires a little too small. So now I have the wire. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run it again, and I'm gonna try to finish this area here today. Enough talking, let's get to work. Alright guys, so I just came back from Lowe's. I decided to go real quick to grab a little bit of extra wood. Now I have enough wood for this little project and that, and we're getting there, so let's keep going. So everything under the windows is ready to go. The wires are there. I wired everything, including this side. I ran out of wood once again. I went to Lowe's, got some wood, and I ran out. So I'm gonna have to go tomorrow once again so that I can finish up. I need 2 2x4s that are long enough, one for the side here and one for there. I already ran a couple of screws through here, so I'm just gonna leave it the way it is, okay? But this is where the AC is gonna go. I noticed while cleaning up, and it's a mess once again. Every time I come down here, it's a mess. There's some holes down here because of the little wood rack that I made. Now, moving it around, I don't know if there were soft spots, but actually they went through, right? There's a couple over here as well. I don't know what to do. I really don't want to replace all the wood, all the subfloor because of those little holes. So I'm gonna have to figure out a way to patch them up. We're gonna do wood planks around here, right? So it's not gonna be carpeted. So I think those will be covered up anyways. So, but we'll see, I'll figure it out. But as you can see, it's coming along. It's a lot more work than I expected. And it's always the little things, like the wiring and putting everything together. No, I did finish this. It's 8 by 8. So once it has the sheetrock, it should be right around 9 inches, almost 10, all the way around. It already has the outlet there, right? This is where all the power is coming from. So everything's coming down from the bottom all the way to here. This is where it splits. One side goes all the way over here, and it comes down to the outlet, and then from the outlet to here. This is the only one that I want powered, okay? Because this is what's going to power the outside lights. There's some lights outside. I want to be able to turn that on. But this switch, you'll notice that it's got a red wire, right? That's because that's a 3-way switch. This is going to power the living room, the dining room, and then it comes back around, and then it's going to power up the kitchen. This is going to be the hallway. So let me move this. These two is going to be the hallway, okay? And that also has a 3-way switch. Okay, this is going to be our little hub, right? So you turn on the living room, and then you're going to be able to turn on the dining room area. I got the lights sitting right here. They are 6-inch, the halo, and I decided that I think it's a good idea to install the little boxes, so that way when the sheetrock is already done, the only thing that I'll have to do, for example, like right over here, right? Let's say there's a little box right here, okay? So once the sheetrock is already installed, the only thing I have to do is just cut the hole, right? Put up the light, plug it in, and then put it up, and it'll be done, right? At least that's the theory. So what do you guys think? I'm really curious to see what you guys are thinking. By the time you probably see this video, I probably would have already done it, but let me know your opinion nonetheless. I appreciate the feedback. It's almost 7:30, almost 8 o'clock, so I'm gonna get out of here. You guys have a good one. See ya. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and follow along our DIY home renovation journey. See you on the next one.